Artificial intelligence is changing everything, including how we go circular. AI isn't just for robots or search engines, it's a tool for redesigning systems. Let's explore how AI powers circular economy innovation across products, processes, and entire supply chains. 1. Smarter sorting and recycling. AI is transforming waste management. Computer vision and machine learning help identify and sort materials in real time, detect contaminants in recycling streams, optimize bin placement and pickup routes, monitor contamination and diversion rates. Companies like Amp Robotics and Zen Robotics use AI-powered robots to boost recycling speed and accuracy, turning trash into resources faster. 2. Predictive maintenance. In a circular system, keeping things in use is key. AI helps companies predict when machines will fail, schedule repairs before breakdowns, extend equipment life, reduce spare parts and downtime. This minimizes waste, cuts costs, and supports product-as-a-service models. Think of AI as the health sensor of the circular economy. 3. Dynamic pricing and reverse logistics. AI enables smarter take-back systems. Retailers use AI to predict returns, adjust pricing based on product wear, route used goods to the most valuable destination, resale, repair, or recycling. It's how circular models stay lean, profitable, and customer-friendly. 4. Material tracking and transparency. Circularity requires knowing what's in your stuff. AI helps analyze supply chains at scale. It powers material passports and product fingerprints, blockchain-based traceability, ESG risk analysis, smart labeling systems. This unlocks design for reuse, ensures compliance, and builds consumer trust. 5. Circular design optimization. AI can help designers explore thousands of circular possibilities fast. It enables generative design for disassembly, material choice analysis, life cycle simulations, environmental impact forecasting. Tools like Autodesk Generative Design help create lighter, stronger, recyclable parts in minutes, not months. 6. Consumer behavior insights. AI tracks how people use and return products. It powers recommendation engines for secondhand goods, personal impact dashboards, loyalty systems for circular actions, gamified behavior change programs. This turns passive users into active loop closers. 7. Circular business intelligence. AI helps companies spot circular opportunities, from waste flows to underutilized assets. It answers, where is waste happening? What's being underused? What could be shared, leased, or remanufactured? In short, AI helps businesses move from guesswork to insight. But here's the caveat. AI is a tool, not a solution. If you train it on linear logic, you get faster extraction. But if you train it on circular goals, you get smarter regeneration. That means setting the right values, ethics, and incentives. AI can scale circularity or scale the wrong systems faster. So let's use it wisely. To connect data, to close loops, to build an economy that learns and lasts. This is AI in the circular economy. Smarter, cleaner, better.